in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Ultra Full Undetectable Invisible Lace Side Part Bob Wig. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. Let's get into the install.
So I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me. Then I'm left to deal with making you be. And that's a whole lot of love ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. It's just so beautiful ways, don't wanna taste it. It's just so beautiful ways, don't wanna taste it.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. The cap construction is your typical cap construction with 3 combs in total. One of those combs being in the very back, the other 2 being in the front. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. When you first pull the unit out of the package, it kind of looks like it'd be your standard closure of a 4x4 or a 5x5, but in reality, it's actually a 6x4 by 1.25 lace unit. So what that means is you're gonna have about 6 inches going straight across, 4 inches going straight back, and then about 1.25 inches worth of parting space. Even though this unit kind of gives closure type of vibes, I'm still able to tuck some of the hair right up underneath the ear tab, which is right here, and kind of just hide it and then expose my natural hairline. And some of this hair, I mean, as you saw earlier, comes from the actual unit, but I don't know, it's just all blending so seamlessly. Now, according to the website, this unit is said to come with a very natural hairline, and also the knots are supposed to be pre-bleached. Now, I'd agree with the hairline statement because I feel like they did a phenomenal job on it, but as far as the pre-bleached knots goes, I don't know, this unit wasn't giving what LuvMe Hair typically gives. Now, I did go in and bleach the knots myself, but I will admit I am not a professional whatsoever, so I did over bleach my knots just a tad bit, but I do feel like it worked out in my favor. Once I put a little bit of my foundation and bronzer on top of it, I feel like it's blending in seamlessly. Speaking of blending in seamlessly, the lace. Now, I'm probably going to say this with every LuvMe Hair unit install that I do, but their lace is just top tier. I mean, come on now, it was blending in before I even cut off the lace. Like, that's saying a lot. units. Moving on to the density, according to the website, this unit is said to be 150% density, and I would agree with that 1000%. With the length and cut of her, this unit has so much body. Speaking of the length though, this unit does come in two lengths, and that is 10 and 12 inches. I currently have the 10 inch. I'm really happy that I opted for the 10 inch because I don't know, it's something about this length and this cut that makes me feel really put together, really sexy, really confident, really sophisticated. I don't know, it's just, I love short hair on me, but I'm not to that point in my life just yet to where I'm ready to cut my own natural hair. So when I get units like this, I don't know, I just fall in love like instantly. With shorter units, I also always get kind of scared that they're not going to fit my head, but they typically do end up fitting my head, and this one is no different. According to the website, this unit is said to be 22.5 inches in circumference, which is their standard medium, and she is fitting me very well. So if you are someone who considers yourself to have a big head, don't worry girl, she's going to fit just fine. Next, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On the website, this unit is retailing for about $120, but if you use my coupon code, which I'll pop up across the screen right here, it'll bring the total down to about $93. That's under $100 for this unit, which to me is low-key a steal. But to make things even better, you can use Afterpay on LuvMe Hair, which means you can divide your payments up into 4 equal payments over the span of 6 weeks, which brings it down to what, $24 every 2 weeks? Yeah, but to make things even more better, one of you guys is going to be getting this unit for free. LuvMe Hair sent me over 2 of the same unit, so I'm going to be giving one of them away to you guys. The rules for this giveaway are very simple. Make sure you're subscribed and or following me on all of my social media. YouTube is at @tan.dotson, Instagram at @tan.dotson, TikTok at @tan.dotson. Make sure that for YouTube you are a public subscriber, that way I can actually see that you are subscribed to the channel. And also make sure on Instagram your page is public, that way I can DM you if you do win. Also, make sure you're engaging with the video by liking the video and leaving me a comment down below. Now the comment needs to have either the first video that you ever saw of mine, what you like most about my channel, or what you want to see on my channel in the future. Also, make sure you leave your Instagram handle down in the comment section below as well, because I'm going to need to contact you. Now I'm gonna let this giveaway run for about 2 weeks, and I'm gonna announce the winner on both my Instagram stories and also my community tab here on YouTube. Once I contact you through Instagram, I'm gonna give you 48 hours to respond, and if I don't hear any response from the winner, then I am going to go ahead and pick someone else. I feel like that time frame is long enough for any and everybody to enter who wants to enter, and also I feel like the rules are pretty fair, so all I'm gonna say is good luck. So with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at @tan.dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.